Hello friends, George here, welcome to my channel. Today we will do a render on a machine from the year 1983, the Mattel Aquarius. The machine runs on a Zilog Z80A at 3.5 MHz and has 4 KB of RAM, which can be expanded to 20 KB. The standard machine comes with 16 colors and provides only a character mode with 40 columns and 22 rows. The Microsoft Extended cartridge provides graphics mode at a resolution of 80 by 72 pixels. With these specs, we can see how incredibly limited this machine is, and it's hard to imagine that we can actually do 3D graphics on this computer. The model which we are going to render today is the spaceship from Elite, the legendary game Elite, which is called Cobra MK III. Here we see how the engine tries to find the visible faces, and in the next phase, the engine sorts the found faces so that they can be drawn from the back to the front. Now we see the end phase where the visible faces are drawn. The code is mostly identical to the Commodore Plus/4 version, and it was quite a challenge to port it to this system. That's the end result. Let's enjoy it. Let's take a look into the code. In this section, we can see that I built a simple interface where we can rotate the model. We can rotate the model on all three axes, and we will rotate the model on the y-axis now. Let's start the program again and do some rotations. The first vertices are loaded and I press the Y key several times so that the spaceship is rotated to the left a few degrees. I call this the dot mode because we can see only the vertices. This has performance reasons. Now the model is drawn again, and when the render is finished, we will compare it to the previous view. Just a few seconds left, and I think it's finished now. No, it sorts the faces again and draws them in the right order. A few faces left and the render is finished. And we will compare it to the previous view. Let's enjoy it. And now we can see the previous render, how the position of the spaceship has changed. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.